Right. The next thing you are going to download is the next application you are going to download is Trading View. Go to your Trading View. This is Trading View. When you download it, you can register with your account. This one does not. We use Trading View to analyze our market. We use Trading Views to analyze the market, to check where the market is going, to do some technical analysis and all. So on Trading View, this is what I don't know. When you first download it, it's gonna take you somewhere that you need to register your account. Let me see if it's, I don't know, maybe it's kind of put me here. So just maybe I'll post a trade a video for you, sure. I'll post a video for you how to register if you are finding it difficult to register. I don't think you should find it difficult to register. So now what I want to teach you is how to enter a trade. How to enter a trade whenever you see someone drop a signal. Whenever you see me drop a signal, let's say this is the trade I'm anticipating. Let's say I'm expecting price to come back to this level. These are 15-minute charts. So when you click on it, you can see a lot of time frame here. Here we have it monthly, we have weekly, we have 3 days, 3 months. You can see we have a lot of time frames here. So now we are focusing on 15 minutes on this tutorial. So let's say now you want to enter a trade. What can you see here? This red box, what is it indicating? It is indicating your risk. This red box is indicating your risk, and this green box is indicating your profit. So whenever you see price coming to your box like this, whenever you see price coming, so if you see price going down to this red bar, what does it mean? It means you are in drawdown. You will see your account running in red. So now let's say you have a position like this, and you see your account, and you see price, okay, and you see price going into this green box. When price came here, so now let's say price came here and started going up. Now you see yourself in what? In green, in blue, sorry. On the MT5, you see yourself in blue. You see yourself making profit. That means your trade is working out. So now let's focus on what we are here for. All right, when you see me place a trade idea like this on the Telegram group, how to enter a trade. Now where is your entry point? This is your entry point here. You have your entry point here. You can see this gray box, here. So it's telling you where this entry point is. You can see the number here is 1.37892, and we have 1.37792, and your target is what? 1.38242. That means you are anticipating the price to come into your entry into this level 1.37897 and move here. So, and why do you have these boxes? You are trying to protect your capital. Okay, when price comes to this level and it's going beyond this level, you'll be taking out. This is your stop loss. So you'll be taking out and your capital will be protected, but you'll make some losses due to the risk that you've entered. So now let's go to MT5. Let's say now we know our entry point. So what we're going to do is you go to your MT5. This is your MT5 here, and you come here. We already have the USD card. If you don't have it, I showed you the other time. You just come here and you click the chart. Now you go to 15-minute time frame. You may even stay here. using this same time frame that you. But the most important thing now that I want to do is we want to enter a trade. So now what we are going to do is, before price come into your buying level, I'll be posting signals. So, and sometimes the price may be already in the motion, and I'll paste the signal. So now what are we going to do here? Now I want to create a buying limit. When the market is down and you want to, let's say you want to buy on this level, that's when we have buy stop. When you click here, you see buy stop. So but now what are we trying to do? We are trying to create a buy limit. So the first thing you will do is now is to click. When you click on this your object box, when you click on the object, it's gonna bring you here. After you click on the object, it's going to bring you here. What I need now is this line, this horizontal line. We are going to click on this horizontal line. So you see we already have this, right? So now what's your entry point? Our entry point, what's your entry point? Our entry point is 1.37892. 1.37892. Click and hold on this line to set it. Put 7892. So you enter, and now here you see it here. Is here. So the next thing you want to create again, when you right click again on this horizontal line, what are you going to do is you click on this copy icon, which means it's gonna duplicate this horizontal line. So now what we want to do now, we want to enter our stop loss. So the stop loss now is 1.37792. 37792, and you click on OK. 1.37792. we go here. This is exactly what you're seeing. I don't think this is correct. This is not correct. Make sure you're putting the correct. You can see it's not correct. So 1.33792. Always make sure you're putting the correct number, please, so that your stop will be accurate. So now I want to create a buy limit. I'll come here. I'll put my buy limit on this line. Then I'll put my Excel. When you click on this, you just put your Excel. So we were using the lines to know where we are going to place our entry and our XL. So you may leave the one of TP. You can do that. This is the most important thing you used to do. The most important thing you need to do is to calculate your risk. You know the risk that you want to take. So this is how I calculate my risk. So now let's say we want to enter because we have more time, or maybe you are busy at work. What you need to do now is, okay, we want to enter the TP level, which is our target here, which is 1.38242. 1.38242. Just enter that. So this is our target. So now I want to enter this trade. What I need to do now is I'll put this my buy limit, my buy limit. I'm gonna put it on this line. Then I'll use my Excel. Then I'll put it on this line. As you can, my buy limit. Then I'll put my Excel here. So now as you can see, it's telling me that I'll be risking 200,000 naira, 238,000 naira. But I don't even have up to that in my account. We only have 20,000, right? So now you come here again and you click on the, now here you can change your lot size. The lowest lot size on MT5 is 0.01. 0.01. So now you can see I have my 0.01 here. You can just type it in. If you want to use 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, it's just for you to calculate your risk and know what you are risking. And mind you, if you are having 20,000 in your account, you shouldn't be risking more than 2,000 naira. So let's say you are using 0.02, 0.02, 0.02. So after this, what we do, you set your TP to this level here. So if you are risking 0.0, you are risking 2,000 naira, you'll be making what, 7,800 naira. So now the next thing you need to do is click on this icon, this arrow, then you just place your order. Now your order is set. When you go to trade, you see this is your order, buy limit. So whenever the price comes here, it's going to trigger your limit, your buy limit, and started playing out. So here you'll be seeing what you are losing, what you are what you are making, what you are losing. You'll be seeing it here. So I hope you understand this video. If you don't understand anything, just reach out to me. Thank you.